Hello. Hello. Let me share first. Good evening. Me not to eat and sleep now. Just eat, sleep, eat, sleep, eat, sleep. And that's why you're there for now. Hello everyone. I share this video so that they will know we are here. As they will need guy nigga Obama yakoso no here. Hello. I feel like coming to UK. Come listen now. Come here. Come here. Good evening, everybody. Oh, good evening, everybody. This was this is supposed to be our yesterday discussion. Somebody said just in time we're going on loud. Somebody said just in time. This was supposed to be our yesterday's discussion before waiting happen. UK, U and K. U plus K. How K U. Before we talk this one, so I'll stand up here and say, okay. I got to get back on. Any act make it equal. Not be just a con. Person call us. Asaboro. Copy that one. No, not save this number. Everywhere. Oh. On a video panu we nane. Una we. Iye-eki na we madam. Egwi o. On mo egiye o. Ge no tinye o. Ge no tinye UK o. O tinye no bia ni emure no. Ge no jo madam calm down. Be calming down. Like mommy what's on walking? O gitala ogun ka magbon ni are nwa o. In a way. UK. Ijimi. How can? Oh, we no friend we are our friend egbe. Or no our friend egbe, you know, ya go. How you use your pikin set your boyfriend up? Why? All this jackpot single mother, All this jackpot, I will not do say so. All these jackpot single mothers. You know what, Jia? Who put bodies on her leg? I sorry for the brother where in the prison now. Obija what in your warega. You go no me mokba. No the hiara. When you tamo tinye so tinye ma. I walk here. You know we are come on a nari. That one I'll just for another day. We're going to sign up for it. One of our suspended gist. So now that one I just for tomorrow because they come any country where they say English speaking country. Come where. It's not all about the English. Normalize them. Like yesterday, I was in a tight corner. I don't feel hear this English. I don't know. I felt what it be the time of a and this same word. I know. Even before I still come again, I still go training. But as he said yesterday, that word, it can't come off from my brain. I was then confused. So if they can't control the speak English, can't wear, not be say shoe bed, mama fly. I was like, oh, the person I would have run to was my mommy, Ukinebo. But at that particular time, it's like she was not available. So, you can have more. My nyash they hot. No say if you confuse sometimes, your head go they run up and down. Yeah, I run to my nearest person. Paddy, please, let me out to this so. Then before this so come, I go say, then I was a little bit relieved. I was calm. That's why my mommy can't get back to me and all that. I said, oh, all the same, all of us do well. I don't know, but to say, at that particular time, that hit period, that your vulnerable time, pray may God send you person where head correct. If devil send you person, if devil send you assistance, you are finished. Job finish. He go take advantage of you. Go lower whatever. But thank God for God. God my God. God not be small picking. So if they come country whenever they speak English, don't be said to speak the English. Know the English. No. The English now called the fact they go yesterday. Know the English. Because a boy for we are. Yeah, I think a boy give a book just ordinary small English. MWF. Now this woman they put a supposed fiancé with the pikin for prison according to assistant take crack come out. May I know rich out. May I know rich out. As it take crack come today. And I beg, if you be that man with the friend person with a get pikin, especially female child, no help and bath a pikin. Oh, now I put this one for problem. So if you dey bath a pikin, throw away your face. Oh, come out for there. Oh, come out for there. Yeah, about where your fears are. Wow, we around your one. Come off your eye for there. Anyway, back to what you carry me con ye. Because I never entered that mama always crack on today. Topic by topic. Topic by topic. We both say they have ear. Let them ear. This one when I want play so now from our sweet mommy, you, our lover, our beautiful soul, our better person, or more no sage agmo, or one no sa we say na he send that come. Now yesterday evening. Remember I promised I said we'll come back yesterday evening. Now we're supposed to deal on this topic. The film is so and they come on. So due to the stress, I couldn't meet up. Now I am available. I don't sleep, wake up. And now call still wake me. UK and a problem. Come out here for yourself. Oh.
Back.
Oh, yeah, go back again.
Married man when just arrived for UK. Nah. They don't sentence him to 24 years inside the room. Make him stay. They don't give him room
gift.
when he go to lodge. According to
when he mean room, not be bedroom, not be hotel room, prison, ega. Not be hotel room like they give him. Not be travel lodge. Not be 5-star hotel. Prison 24. Nene prison. Bella God, my love. Good evening, mommy. Now, ega, now it talk so. So many police say a person give person room. Na normal thing. Not be a duro give a room. Ega.
And now, they don't sentence him. He just enter last month too. They say if I will enter new place, now one leg now go take stand. You can't carry 2 legs, stand. You not just stand, you can't run, kitty. Now his wife, now just give her visit visa. Him and the children, may they come because now the woman not there here. The woman not there here. Now you can't use her papers now, give the husband visit visa. Make him and the children come visit her based on say she did for here at the moment. Probably the school. Oga no use.
You see as he talk, say probably this. Anyway, continue, sir.
He leg stand where ask question to know how this country be. He dirty character when he get from home. Now he can't carry come here. Abi, some people say if I don't know waiting, if you not fit get orientation, streetwise not fit to give you OT.
As they talk about men, I saw some women, you'll be some young ladies. Whether I subordinate me, I think I where man, Now, I don't know, I don't get English people, when they use English, they call it, not be CO, they be COS, but they call them dependent. The orientation where some just get now to born. The orientation where some of them just get the female version. But the male self. Now to born. Once they are born, the office everywhere good. Some go still born picky finish. They not go bother to take look. They don't born finish. They can't say, okay, the next target where they go down. To pay lay for them. You know, say make away to pay lay. To pay lay for the next target. Their next target, now they want to clean their mess. Their next target, now they want to swipe their mistake. Now they want to correct their life where they don't go back for you for a whole year. No matter how posh you think they are, forget now camera. Now TikTok for the see game. Now edited videos. No level. Especially when iye-eki is involved. Don't dare them. They can go extra mile. They don't care. Still, you go feel say they okay. Look, mama, they okay. A bon shorty. No, listen to this Wowo Memphis.
You don't see where street boy when grow up for streets, they enter wahala anyhow for new places.
They
look like this. Maybe no guy.
You will go school. That one a very different thing. But if you are not street oriented, forget them. If you don't get street orientation, they go use the thing. No matter how mighty you are, big you think you get. But even if you don't go school, you get street orientation. Forget it. Person will go load you. So it takes, you have to be little bit of this and little bit of this.
You go understand the laws of the land before you go start to the act. What did happen? Oga carry himself one day. Say they go high street. So now know what it be high street now. Normally, where stores, so many stores, shops, different things, coffee, bar, coffee shops, all those things. High street now very busy area for every community for UK here. That they get high streets. Where people they go socialize for evening. There is going to be a pub there, coffee shop, pastry shop, small like all this spa,
everything
all this kind of shop, Euro spa, and all these small Tesco's that they did there. Oga go enter inside one of the coffee shop, order for coffee with the excuse say if they wait for somebody, a friend or something. That's what he said. This case why they tell you now, his wife don't do everything humanly possible to see say the husband go get freedom. They don't give out the excuse when they this word. Oga called it their other coffee. I see other coffee. He can't see another girl. Waka enter. This girl na Naija girl too. But now here they for born. So British. Orientation and culture is different. Because if you see that Naija, you can't go ask and say, hello, how you dey? What's your name? The girl tell her, what are you here for? Based on saying the coffee shop, they sell pastries as well. The girl say na pizza, now she come by. Don't worry, I'll pay for you. The girl go appreciate her. I'll pay for you.
It just be like when somebody write for my comment section the day when I throw away fish. He say, you forgive person and 5 person give now last for you. 5 person give. Egan you person where you don't know. You not dey close to you. Not be so na be party like 101. Just 5 person give fish. As waiting food poisoning. Egan now this boy was one more release to finish.
She appreciate him. Oga coffee ready. He go sit down here, they sip the coffee. He don't pay for pizza. He don't pay for a coffee. The girl pizza ready. She can't go sit down her own table. They eat her pizza. Now the man can say whether if he can't join her. Based on saying he does extend good kind gesture to buy the pizza. She don't mind. And besides, they are two now the same daki. Come sit down here and what you they do here? Say well. If they wait for a mama, say make she wait for her for here. That the mama they come, they won't go somewhere. probably very close to the bus stop around there. So she's just chilling. She said, maybe she just take lunch. Now, the guy called, they talk to Ram. How you doing now? I go take you to Africa. I go marry you. We go born 5 children.
Oh, marry Eba. Oh, marry Eba. Who know any visa and no to a day or to way. No king more a day. Yeah, marry and I just say Nigeria lyrics. Now the day for you. Some say some must get wife now. Now the ones who get wife get pikin. All this jackpot. Now they even worse pass. Your face get at all. Their desperation, they never even come on one for inside. Their desperation are excess na double. Dopia. Tell us to say na dopia vous. Their desperation are 2 by 2. Oh, mommy, destiny child in EJ. Come on, man. Pardon my manners. Now, woman can't come from Nigeria, give her a visiting visa. He wait, come now, his leg never even strong now. In the tell another born British say he go marry her, he go carry and go Nigeria. That's why I will my born British. This one still black now, Nigerian girl. If you look at where they pay for that pizza, now your wife can't now they pay. Because his leg never strong. If not, he supposed they work. Person will come for work for this UK. We get wife for his house, now sleep and food night day. When he come concern her for high streets. Because he not get work. Oh, what am I level? He can't go to use the wife card. They buy pizza for another month, which is okay. Now good, they want to do good for her. Now he do for her. But the lie, whether he makes the lie to Oyibo, in you can be born Britain. Ebo we go along here. That is where I'm confused. Some of them born because of paper. This man is where you. Some of them claim now so they be professional for Nigeria. When they take on. I still don't understand why will a professional who is documented, you got a child, you got this, you got what it is, still in a hurry. Maybe the same person not run 2 times, now you go solve a wrong race. So what's not the problem? What is the problem? What did they pursue them? For this UK, now mostly, now middle for senior. I mean, now we want money and a zebo no. Why? The test smoke picky whenever I've reached 15 years. That day, that one at 12 years, going to 13. The other one go knock the day, go use doggy, buy the day for the yeah, bozoy. This one now, this one, this one sana. Because they argue with police. No way. But they say na police way they ojo elegba I don't know. Or na police way they Ikorodu I don't know. Or na police way they do motor I don't know. We are doing it one. I go down to my.
So when they do that, they get uncomfortable. Take note. One Oyibo sit down here.
Can I go back? I know talk again. Mona, you listen.
All this kind of shop, Spar, and all these small Tesco's that they did there. Oga go enter inside one of the coffee shop, order for coffee, with the excuse say if they wait for somebody, a friend or something. That's what he said. This case one they tell you now, his wife don't do everything humanly possible to see say the husband go get freedom. They don't give her the excuse when they this word. Oga called it their other coffee. I see other coffee. He can't see another girl waka enter. This girl na Naija girl too. But now here they for born am. So orientation and culture is different. Because if you see say na Naija, you can't go ask and say, hello, how you dey? What's your name? The girl tell her, what are you here for? Based on say the coffee shop they sell pastries as well. The girl say na pizza, now she come by. Don't worry, I'll pay for you. The girl can appreciate her. I'll pay for you. She appreciate him. Oga coffee ready. He go sit down here, they sip the coffee. He don't pay for pizza, he don't pay for a coffee. The girl pizza ready. She can't go sit down at her own table. They eat her pizza. Now the man can say whether if he can't join her. Based on saying he does extend good kind gesture to buy the pizza, she don't mind now. Besides, they are two now. Well, probably very close to the bus stop around there. So she's just chilling. She said, maybe she just take lunch. Now the guy called, he talk to Ram. How you did now? I go take you to Africa. I go marry you. We go born 5 children together. So when they do that, they get uncomfortable. Take note, one Oyibo sit down near them or behind them. The Oyibo, they notice what they happen. Before we go here, the girl just say, Uncle, stop it. Stop touching my lap. So the Oyibo come there at a lot when the girl talk that kind of thing. Stop touching my lap. I'm just 14. I'm just 14. Uncle not listen. No. Uncle call the tell and say, I go carry you go Africa. I go show you the beauty of Africa. No worry, we go born 5 children together. Blah, blah, blah. He can't see they touch the lap again. Now the girl can't raise alarm again. No, so we both on the record them since. Nah. Since when he noticed the way the man they do and the way they get them uncomfortable, he can't video them. Video them since. But Oga no. Before we look, now so this our Ghana can't get up, come out from where in there after I drink a coffee finish, come waka go outside. They wait for the girl. Make she finish, make she come. Now so the girl call the mama. As the mama come, now tell her say, see what happened to me, or see what happened to me. Now they call say, make they not allow the man come out to. Or even when they make video, can't really come. Evidence everywhere, kamake. Now I can tell the mama, say, don't worry, I will take it up from here. I have evidence against this man. I did there, I see everything.
Hey boy, take it up.
Oga carry video, now in Nakan. Raw evidence. They're not defeat the defender. Atasa. They're not they deny that one. And so they take carry Oga. Now they ask Oga, say, the girl tell you say she be 14 years. Video carry am. Oga say, no, this girl cannot be 14 years old. Say the girl not be 14 years, say she dey lie about her age. You dey tell police, say, person when be 14 years. Say she not be 14 years. She won't get herself, she say, Omo. Una no know say for this part of the world, some children, especially this modern generation, they grow past their age, they'll get front, they go get back. That make many men they fall for problem for this part of the world. Because they know they ask question. You come country, you never stand. You don't drink water, drink wine, you don't run for high street. Who say you go high street or ga? That's so nothing they disgrace us for this part of the world though. They say if you go Rome, behave like a Roman. Wow. You must integrate, you must understand how things they work for another culture before you go start to act. The girl tell you say she be 14. You not yet. Now the one day your mind now you do that your bad character. Bad character. Your wife invite you, come you never even stay 1 month.
How are you?
You don't enter streets, they go define where you will take PN. Which kind of lifestyle? Now they rig the system now. Now they give us that name when we don't really deserve. Good Naija people fool everywhere. What is up now? If you go somewhere, you go look. This one, I'm not sorry for her. But for other people, make una learn lessons. If you enter somewhere, you go surgeon, you go wise. Because the system has been rigged even before you came. It not favor us in the first place. We will be wise up. The system has been rigged.
You hear the one who sweet me past from inside at the beginning. A man arrived UK under 24 hours. As you see this man, so no can any visa na yarina, no ye why na. Ego come na. I know some women still be, some guests, some jackpot product. Their orientation, I don't know what they tell them. But then on TikTok for the see Instagram, anywhere for the see, I don't know what they tell them. They don't already put on for head, they don't they know some. After that video, that I saw one mommy still come and say, oh, I know what me on door, Asaboro. Who told you school? You told me everything I see in school, your man gave me no issue, no die. owa waje na owa bieji gba ni emure gba ni ere passport na gba ni ewe mi yana owo ya mi pe owa swaye oyin swaye oyin swaye yo dere owo tori o mi yo kegbe ina we won ato ya. But if na person wey don't fit there tell they think of agbon atale le mi atale dia mi atale borupa. You see all this a man mono wa yukowa they don't care when you go weta unu ya ta enori yan. Can you imagine that kind man don't they do small children before for Nigeria? Ya dan le bona. I was trying to bought you palo ni. Sueno. Arian ni gbogbon ni osun ari usueno. Imagine person tell you say leave me. Do not touch my lap again. It no end for that. Arian ya gba home and dey school akes. Arian ni mu bieka we ni. He can't come out again. Tiki say still dey side orile igomu. He can't come out. He can't go stand for Johnson. If they wait for me, come. I will not die. Sergeant of blood. Because of the pizza no ene no you no de you boeni. Because no say beuna iminemo bo gweso phone na ya lo eso we iPhone 14 iPhone 15 iPhone 16 iPhone 1 million ya lo eso we iPhone 16 iPhone 17 ya lo eso we. This country they deal on proof and evidence. We want me emure we igwan wa ppp we want me emure teda eni asenike ani we na zebu agwemi yawo ibi azebu ni we hu ono na nuna ebe bi aka e mano yero ma ho ebo ya mu melega no da fina ga fina imudia ame ibono na mu e me ka mu e egbo me be shawa ku definitely egbo me wa e ku 24 hours area Okia lo you gan. Okay, avi gan ne degbe ane de bi onupo no kini ari fiane because attempt to okwe say wa we ma say attempt to gbomawa and ogbomawa ron pa attempt to ni oko se ron ye wo wa gude de zo wi o gbomawa ni a lawyer we ami boya dia abo we gan penu but attempt to ni era seje so seneka or we are necessary. Why would you even not sit in the first place? Why would you think of that? You did it. It might be out of one thing or the other. Yet to the medicals equal yet to top where you on the way because the deed has been done. But about to do it, you can even think, but you cannot think uprightly. Imagine this girl told you, say, bros, no, I am 14 years. Because you buy a pizza, will not reach 20 pounds. If you too much, I've been at that slice night back for them. I will tell you pizza. Because you buy a pizza, will not reach any amount now. You say it's a must do. You want to go corner. Like, what were you having in mind? I'm a woman carrying a con. You said that they put person for problem. Now, so some of them still be where man carry con. The man go carry the con finish. Now that you can't say the man nourish. Now that you can't say the man match this me. Now that you can't say the man not be type, not be category. Now that you can't say no, it doesn't want it. Now that you can't say no reach his standard. Now that you can't say everything I want in a man, not this man body. But when he get there, he defend and made that yo. Anything with the man talk, he go the Lord. Now, yes, my love. Yes, my king. Yes, my boo boo. Yes, baby boo. Yes, the man behind my smile. My one and only, my everything I need. That one I go the boss. Then me, we can't go work, we can't come back. I don't remember I take call her king, call her boyfriend, call her my lord. Because me not get respect. Because no, I go imagine how you want me what I'm your work dumu just forget to. Immediately that one come now. He come see and say, na problem. It's not all about camera. It not be taste, not be type. He not even near the category. He not even near candidate where he supposed to marry. Talk less of say. Maybe before you know, he don't pregnant. Or you worry your body is your body yoto. Or you pa. To pele. The difference between you wait don't take for abroad, you born being a single mother. And the difference between these some nuisance, let me tell you. Some of our tele will become single mothers. Some na knowing and doing why they be. When you are talking about single mother by ignorance, by stupidity, now these people, they don't just care. They can born for Africa. They don't care. They'll meet you today. They want born tomorrow. And all these people go carry Peter Pikin, go give Paul. Now all these people go carry Paul Pikin, go give Peter. It's very rare. Before you see tele, wait, born Pikin. They'll come say, we are mommy, very rare. Anyone when you see like that, no ya we do amara mo gebu ebo ego fe bo ni je ka le no ego father. E Pedro we Giuseppe we jodo ni je ka le bere ni ora ego father re. What's come to worse with ebo bio money. Who are he? Or you consider the bolo say the DNA or you can't born a pikin come to the same asada. When ga we me who say one o ga ja fian or ya fian o we kire. Because why? I my desire again. That person is so money conscious. Ene kia o e wo pia no bi na onye me pia ni so e we ni na je na. We ni me je o pia ni ma we won eni me nye won ese we ijo. Yeah. Give me one way, mommy, you. Before say yo. Because the end of it, nasty disaster. Na disaster. Because you cannot be under one roof with a person, a self-acclaimed person where you know say you no reach your standard. Person where you know say you no go even feel compromised with that. You can't manage. Make peace day. Peace no go fit day. Bowa iye-eki wa no. They at no. Bowa iye-eki. Wa agbi na yeve. Na steady on a steady basis. Because why? The thing already there your mind say no, you know there. Then if you can't see someone if you manage them, you know say maturity can attach to those ones. Make shame and disgrace no come. Now you go see some married woman or they draw they say their pikin will go to resemble Asada. Asada guy Asada, not be the husband family member. I say, this pikin is my brother-in-law. If you see, you don't see this one. No, a total stranger entirely. Like a total stranger. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. All those kind of one, nah, their husband, they are not proud of their husband. Any woman married man we not proud of. You know, between you and God, you know, say, not be my thing, be this. May I tell you two things where they follow? You can easily flirt. You go see the husbands. It cannot do, you can kill, you can do it. That is one. There's some way you can't get the fear of God. They go manage them. But to any, yeah, suffer man. They go hardly the gain because why? Man where you know like. I don't know now then everybody. Man where you know say you not bad. If they touch you, na problem. Who where? Okay, that is already virgin. Where that's what say virgin. Because why? The chemistry is not there. You might kiss. You might romance. You might do what? You might even touch and touch. Dripping go come. Yeah, why dripping? But sometimes erection a problem. Unless the day we did that woman met, Kiana wa commenting. Ni unyari aya uwa da. Ni do video me mugine no. Now she go call for her. Now she go give signal. I don't want when to satisfy her body. Not be say you dey do her to sweet her. Now just to get her maximum satisfaction. Ya any guy you can your head. I guy. O mana gbona se ti kai kia ni na I guy. Ona kpali kia. Like ona kpali guy ni na kia. When I first saw it, I was thinking we think I feel be kia if you want to be a hospital. Igiti the headline back to say cassava. Ona wa kai, ona na ki o managbo. Ona wa kai igbo hewa. Or break a world record. Or is a kai iga ina bui. Na iga ina bui eva. Yo managbo he. And iga ino always baby like me. Ya wo ka de kodun yo. O ki de kodun yo ma de yo se o yo re ona ju kodun fwa. E kodun o ya ka ni e cassava ni. Ya mu pada hospital. Na ya anya go he ni. E o mo ya die ni. Igai. Oh. E ya kind organic you we. Like, are you guys for it? God bless you, Asaboro gift. No, I'm at all. If you don't send ma, if you don't like ma, you want just like, you want to just to say okay. Why I think I can do a timetable I can one. Timetable one. Because you know why? You don't really like them. Now say TB. Now two wake up. If man not still get anything for you, you not there for morning, not they come in the evening. You can't force it. If you do, either one go prison, the other one go hospital. Or the other one go hospital, one go this is fit. That is always the result. Because why? Now two parallel lines. Even if they talk one thing in one voice, because they talk one thing with two voices. But some Jackpot products, they don't give an F. They don't freaking care. It must be in their own way. And if you succumb, you are finished. Those sisters will crack on. Now Jackpot products, now I put a brother for prison. So, but one more who know here. Sometimes let's be guided though. If you come country, that time when we come Italy those days, what do you fed the learn? Now the language. Then we fed the learn. Now street we for learner. So if you don't learn, you are just on your own. Before God come help us in small, whether good or bad, and be like. Now so it still be. For guys say they're an English speaking country. Your English and their English is two different things entirely. Your accent here is different. If you jam Britico, you know so you know they speak English. They go tell you your English is not posh. It's not posh. And it's not posh. You know it. So if real British speak, you go know the difference is clear. Compared to Indian man when you are got the flow for inside factory. Or your agents. Where they speak cotton like you. There is a difference between Wowo. Me, difference there. Even inside the me, difference still there inside me. They say he me and she me. So what I will not say, how can a man just arrive country less than how many weeks? They don't prepare prison yard for her. Because of born British. Not be said this one not this guy is even good. She tell you, say, I am 14, stop touching my lap. But you declined. You refused. You want to have it in your own way. Now waiting Desperado, the cause be down. You want to do it all by yourself. You want Chester. You want proof to not say you be African man from Ijebu-Ede. Make you kere one tun wagbon. Oh, do you know kino rakure no worry. Makane. You want just proof to a point. Say yes, you be African man in general. You be Nigerian guy. In quotes. See where your stupidity have landed you now. Who to blame? Who to blame? Omiebo, omagwazebo mebo. Omagwazebo mebo. Hono we Poland. Omagwazebo mani. No spoken, no geni mwefiere. This one good now. He still tell you, say, uncle, leave me. Or your uncle buy my. Compared to the ones where go trill you, finish, tell you, say, okay, uncle. She be that one where they cash for Scotland who will do a video that 37 years old guy. Before ma can't do woman doggy, not be agreement. They not to say to fan now. Not be rapina case. Not be agreement. She be the first do front before they enter doggy they do. I am when you not buy. E the day ye nenia, how the day say, but the day you turn in the day or guess all way. If it or buy ye or for seeing way. Whereas the day ye and the day you turn it, a congenital worry the day or phone. Before person can't do you doggy. Shebuna don't smooth, now don't do everything like all those 4 players taking place already. He don't feel pass front, commissionary has been done. He can't say that they feel bad with it. Ona iye-eki hide. Or if I dog in the day for the day yen, the day when they were do back we had do your hand and be wow. A 37 years old man. And who had the day? Be Scotland, England, where UK. Mweriga. In fact, I say an escadade. I say an escadade. Talkers of Piki will tell you, say, no. You know here. If this Piki come 5, I wish he can't tell you, say, okay, no problem. They no carry yano. Or me we kiano de weni. Where is the hasa? Oh, hasa, woo. I quite that what can I say? I can frustrated. What can I say? Book be a done I. But no one say, he let never stand. He find additional toto. No, one my thing you for. No, wa we no go wa. Or my tea bozo fo. Or while additional be kusuhia. No back here your dame. Uhe bon pretty. Okay, now my mama no eating this vagin. We no nika word this vagin. Or my mama eating this vagin there. Or ya kyo wo ya mimi na bie wo tewebu. Neda vive kuma ege. Neda vive kuma ege. Those kind of nuisance, they don't use that 6 more picky for Nigeria. Anyone ya be a kawa wowa. Anyone wa yo boss son yo boka aki o hene. Ave pedofe. Dan. Ya obey beka. Ndomo wa ye gbogbo. Inwe we yi wudu. Owo nwane. O nwane amu dai. Ere like ana. Eri oya lega na. Oh, no that was say UK we. Unu pe de no hin. Eye.
Back.
Then you get the message UK.
Married man when just arrived for UK. Nah. They don't sentence him to 24 years inside the room.
24 years, okay. He just arrived UK. Nah. 24 years is 24 years. Be 24 months. 24 years. I be my mom say, okay, back 24 months. 24 months, that's 2 years. 24 years, and I must take care for Fanokin Ajawa. If I only have 100 years, I'm done. Imagine Oyibo come tell and say, Madam, step aside. Let me take it from here. Ebo ito tanyane. Ebo with ebo ebritiko. Ebo na record day. British people. In a few ogbena. Organizable. Now your body movement they look. Now bad the man still go drink nene plastri ma what eba pistry ma what bonus eba. Now there the man still there oh. Now there the man sit down put jelly go still look. Lo and behold. Mamu winane. But he said the body movement of the girl. Yes, definitely. That's why you have to be observant. You have to be observant. Anywhere you do, you have to be observant. But at all, try your possible best. Do not lose guard. You ought to know when this thing is real or is not. You have to feel it. You both sat down, sipping his coffee or tea, any one out of the two. If they see the small girl, they say, no, please, don't do it. No. And I okay, Miss Umenwan, it's all right. I didn't born I will come in here back and forth. Oh, I cook my coffee with you. Oh, I'm winning when I was a gay. Say, Gagmo. I have video at your top. Proof evidence, or don't me, I own. And I have video at your top. And only had that, so uncle, don't touch my lap again. And I went, hey, on that big zoom, say, because I won't down on seeing on a zoom, how you volume you. You are me not lad. I let the pee. But the baby, when I need, I want to pick it up. I am on here more. I want to pick up this case for you. But I pizza over a card over then. 24 years. I believe in that 24 months. I had 24 years. Done. November. Yeah, we are. So, if you know, say they come any English speaking code, I believe say I see a big, I saw Canada big, I saw America big. I don't know. I would think in my head that they talk, but I don't know that not true because in my youth, if they come with your partner, just know that you and your partner they come. If you still come alone, say that you fair go down, be prepared. They will. They for you. And they talk now, I don't want you. Then if you can't be single, Ilawo dorito te na enuge. Ilawo de asaboro gbowe yegbe o. Ilawo dorito te na enuge o. Ilawo de iwasaboro gbowe yegbe o. Ilawo dorito te na enuge. Ilawo de. If you can't be single, to pay for you. Then what do I single? Où est parler d'ail? Au revoir. Yaka. Au revoir. Nga ya palo mana wonyi we you ke tu mi odo e utase. We na na pay yi. Ana le mi so no we me question paper be fuska paper. Oh my you say ya go lo go man ya doge dai. Problem. Now it's time reach now. Say, mommy, give what you talk. Wait, I see that comment. Wait. Now it's time reach. Now come and welcome. I go what 202 away, but when I need bread. No, 2 away, nana. It can't take out of an equiwano. Yeah, we need a board to buy any away. I saw so Guinea that king and another white man. I want to take in charge. I want to article. Under the law session, session, nene article, nene degree. Wati e yon. E bien le nye ya wa va for you we. O you nche we gbe wa gbo. Me la wo kan me ya tu ele kan ko su go gbe kan wo ya. O kan wo he wo kwa. Iwe are so agwali go kan. Ye ma nne go ona agwali high street shana ka neke ni disco ye. Ona neke ni pub ye. Ona neke na beri we Nigeria ni we. Ona agwali na agwali bi kian. visa nia. Ogbene je upo. Oike jo ikere visa ma phone. Visiting visa we no wi obota. Visiting visa. Oike jo oikere. Mejo merini. Mejo merini. Oya ni zebo we mugu for egama for mugu chop. Ya gene otin sore wa kutana bana. Why I am an idea for now. Why I am my people? You love me. It be a go away. Quarter to stand up for me. Vibration. Eya temu. Do no ni to ime. Saboro ni me no je. Ah naso. Uswabe jack bana obe gyotion e gani. Uswabe jack ba wo. No be omo pa fe le dun kian. Wala ma no dejo ru we ni re ma na wu. Ero mo ni ma wu o ma je yin. Ogwa le fada fi go kian no ya sejo ru. Ah. Abi ko ni re we bo ni ene gbe oji wa. Ma si go mo da ni ene gbe ni ma jiri ya fi ose bayan to ta oji wa mi wa re ene gbo mo. Ah. Deno bi wa ma eno ro egbo mo nu wa ri ya agagwe na ti iyan agagwe ni bi wa ti jiyan re ti an mi wa ti e so ata we government money yes doge no nego boy ma se ti kokomo only we government hiri no wa awe na gele ta o iba iko igo mo biare o ijo me so na zegbe na to tana wo mo na bi o ya ka we kokoro na ke gbo boya la mare o wa na gbon wa mi osiba o wa ato ya genya o ni no ri so wo ge obi yin gan bo mo pe apa ni je rere wo ge gan be no ya ge gan ya to sai fu wa ba ko ko si ya ko ya ku gbe be na imi ta wa ko iwede how why boss here mono ma gba won pono when no friend o no mo umenwan eke honey please can you just do sha for me me ya chawa ya te we bo ma douche Netherland or Tori they do I want go douche Netherland or Tori me I want to go and take my shower as well we boy ma you be bo we drinking say o we oba yi kene do ya fun me wo to agwo wa ho mohu opia wa agwo wa ho mohu oya o ti oya de fenojina oya de fenojina mo na aside for our school aside for my teacher give me na teacher ni you yen you bow well le winere my people area me ato o let's have for an ibe to we no de ni so why go no de e matter no ge na mo ka ho I hope you are doing fine anything for Asaboro inyero na riete isi me phone na riete roro wọ́n ní wá dá gbé wa sansan na te opolo mo ri de na ni just tire apolo to fama iwo ma ho mi ba pero I just pray make I see chance take consider I pray too me say I still pray make I see chance come to sit down talk am o you know sometimes situation things can just change ma propose God dispose right anything dey area just dey way not the area Casablanca not in the Casablanca o baba me Jesus domo ele amalekwa la amalekwa won dun ani wa say amalekwa I say I boss abo so here amalekwa in Dodok Island uriete Jesus o we me gbon amalekwa Uleke jistime. Jistime walekwa uruwa. Uta walekwa hiya walekwa. Awaloke kule walekwa lawo. Otoro wa wosada. E meeting oje mo ni yiwe re rule. Ya na ya. Beti ya magyeun. Ya ma le gba. E meeting oje re. I was saying na Scotland. Adweni. Yokpa unwemi. Agbon ya unwemi. Yon mimi niwe. Mama lekwa. Mama leko. Mama leko. Jesus, we are going mama leko are. Say, but I mama leko am we are. Mama leko. E go get leko am I too. Oh, Louis so sad. Good evening, my love. I go get mama leko am I too. Go get mama leko am I too. Up mama leko wa. Up down mama leko. Cause in there it go abo. Benji Asaboro maenibo kunreme wa tora die o ma gwa tora na Jesus ga gwale mu ne maleko ahe wo gwa tiawa o izuke de mi wa to bo esa bakine no ma de yan hu o izuke de mi wa ga no makeup boy o easy really o easy imagine ama iwa ke do ri makeup igba ado gbale gedo posh ado igbe gedo ni Onisa J agba epo yi do konisa Asaboro okwe kopsi omo na ri won na ma gbo mi si gbo bo na nya o opago re bo ki o iwe gbere mi ko ri ro o iru wa wo na yin o aho eke no merele no ono na igegbo o uga umei unwe ikwemiti yado orun pase ti we ya orun pagiri agbon e o emi dan to ye dan e maliko akin ara iwo yeri a o ekwenyenye nari obi o egwizi papa no ye ezi o osun we mi da egwise ti papa no ye ezi edo wa ya hu runda isa enye papa wa ga nari obi bu were egbele bolozo na mi to ọmọ na gbo ọmọ ele na leti ọmọ o uwe ọmọ ele na leti ọmọ bu weta how easy mazigo yawe to oba ki manage be teni ma seti ma mu kapedo ma seti ma mu fuwa agbale makeup igbo again na seti mu so do ma se tu wewe ma me makeup e be de na yesin ina yesin agbon ya wele wow Saboro wow odo na do sikere o fatite gbe won me ma pa o fatite wa gbe won na do sikere na ye beautiful agbon ati Saboro is this udo agespokara gbon ina wari pe na wa go tore when you like it natural but we ga mi pa cake wa fi budo espokani kin Jesus de ni ne bere la bola ila no ri ga mo gera udo agespoka ege o ina we pe ama wa ma wo wa like natural wa ko egbu wa ina wa ka be ni kuna ya si eko si oni san si kwa bo ipe asi eyo egbe odo me abi efi mo ni on ebo pa da igbedo saropo ya mo so yawo ni san e most ni kini ame be amu be back ya ra wo ni san period no camp ari ta lojo ni wo oni san pe a o e si kwa bo e dia si no re dia e bi efi mo ni si no re ma ya ti tube ni si e wa mu so ni san period 2 pele o ki aja go to go a gba o ye po aga geda ma re ta imwe me stambano sei bellissima la infinity I'm blushing. Me muse. You go marry daso. Iye-eki mose. Keke we amere seto se. Ose ruwe gbe. We are mijeme. Mirale. Era yeme ya time agbe. Just they play. They play for them. Imosere. Igwe me. Iware nekuna isonwa tone. Aga akpuse. Amina se gba wa we emekopina ni ave TikTok we Facebook ya. Iwere se to talent lo ba imo boro ni iwere hin awe ya. Iwe gba agbe. Ete mi bo paro obe to wa yin. Ana do avion do ri o do avion do ale la Facebook le ya. Makeup is good, oh, don't get it twisted. Igwa mo bowe. Eti u bet igwa mo bowe. Can I make up myself? Yes, if I want to. If I really want to, if I just give myself time, yes. But it would take time. How can I just sit down for 45 to 1 hour till they make up? We are here. You have to get it, boy. But they say if you don't master, you can't be zai. Me go away zai. The me, so it's your cavalier so do you not buy them? We consider les do you away les ou do call peta ou do you la when na bugbe o iye me mommy joy egbon mi kele. Good evening my beloved. Yes, you are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, God bless you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Come on. Thank you must say yeah. Atatikola time me eze. Eri ga mi ni tade ba mo so tafo. Me Aproko. I wa gbele picture ye. O ba no tele no mo ese. What is Poki? Like ma bu wa je kadale ade. But I will come to my notice okay. Then why gume go give birthday ni. When you hear Asaboro Talkshow, I believe that was my thinking. We all we oh, you know we well because I so can go marry one. Like they think some men, to be fair. Let me quickly chip in this. It takes a matured man in heart and in head to know that the true beauty of a woman lies within her. Yes. If you want to know a beautiful person, wake her up in the morning. If you want to know a beauty, good evening, ma'am. If you want to know a beautiful woman, just try and wake her up in the morning and say, and the true beauty of a woman, and so it be. The rest, na attachment, na artificial. Yes, it's good to touch up, to be posh, touch up yourself, like just look elegant. It is what it is. Because what's here? In another level, I cocoa. But you want makeup enter bed. Now there I say, no, you can't do it. You can't do it. So sometimes just be your reserve. Just like what happened to Kelechi Blessing. Me I tell only Kelechi. I say one name Kelechi mo bought that semi-celebrity with the cash for gym. Because why? Every day when they give us picture on a steady basis, she too posh. So when the person see her for gym, go see well not here. Just so noble. Now you had a malikwa ati woni. But me ma we die o. Ima we die malikwa. Malikwa na utete nyegi api. Begeni don man na imai. No malikwa. Then you wake be mo se te we video call. Be you whosoever you are. Te we video call line. O salo ba won arrest le de yo. Ifi afika. Ima igwa ifika na me na afika e. Na la Wowo je igwa afika me na afika wa happy me. Put me through. All yak my video jo be there. Or get in big turning on another make confidence. No ya tell my video. When you make jail till will be video put me about something. If we mo ko ka wu ne. Me no ho ya tire. Tayo to pele. Malekwa amwe video call. When no less base. Like when I confidence on our pass on why or work for fair. Ba me able to self-confidence in it. I go papa here at me push you. Even who I get video. I go ya must say in their own different way. I got pepper no pepper me. Mona real. Salvane give my big boy. I got pepper on my lekwa. Eka mama lekwa. Oze mama lekwa e video call. There oh when you gbe wa even man o when. Igba so kan agbo an agbe mi yo mu. Na wan agbe mi yo ahara. Some women really don't have self-confidence. But one thing is that no matter how Osalobo ajiwe, I understand the word that we are. Abuli o menora ye bully men. Menowe ko na ekwen tilapia fish na. Aye bully me. Merone doni savichi. Ibe always over ye basket in. Ya me go ni there. Yeah, we doni savi we do muma wawa. Hey no, cannot change the shameless. Jolly problem on his side, we. Wa da me bla boy, e la seje. An to ga gba lo se wa. E onyo pa wo, o se ala discourse. Also like to ka wa go be ka wa gun normally wa flow. Just feel free, be yourself. Devil. Or on monu a judge wa no man need donisa. When I made that first foreplay ni na then I was say wa ni get one more naturally kwe mas e we yoje. Money go so. Money a body shaping and if money or go so really show. We got bozone. We got bozone. Couldn't find. They were so his one ball of dian lele. We don't need some here do shock you. Na me o my guy, yoje agbalegbo. And I we Malekwa is a completely bad woman is another state. Malekwa. Not to be fair. Down Malekwa. She was good at the beginning. Equal to Ohe. She was good at the beginning. I just jealousy take over her. I wouldn't lie. I don't feel lie because say Obi won't be gone and I do to. And when this person never did the picture, I carry me go give her. Yes, toasters. I'll push her. Maybe exactly the toaster come from Spain. Now we go Jamie. I don't want to go be my water. I the way we know who say yeah, it be for. I don't want. We were around our mass. So you know this person from Spain, so and so city. Okay, then he no. Okay. Oh, I see God they toast me where blessed I confused for head. Like my instinct they tell me say no, this is a no go area. But my head they tell me say you can give it a try. My instinct they say my head they say give it a try. What tell no you me swallow. But my instinct now go come follow last. I just need somebody to confirm what my instinct is saying. It happen to anybody. It happen. I need somebody to confirm what my instinct is telling me. Iwe bu Malekwa no don. Me really have a problem. Okay, can be no bia. Oh, wait till I boss in bia lawa. When or weak we are left and right. Ya wa edi wa kun. Okay, can mo se. Or where why yet the area dey dodok you. Should I say daughter-in-law or the wife of in-law, which is my friend. Not getting on those poking. Or here you come on your well, you think Mummy and the doc you. Ya Mummy and the doc ban. If we are the doc guy, you way a phone, no really okay. It do money and we hand over. Oh, say na problem. But many people don't know say, no, but you take fine, you take the see. May day, but the problem is that the particular person where you go want, the kind person where you want, everybody get taste. Mommy ogogo nije no ge ko ebo mommy well koje. The kind person where you go want, right? Maybe some don't marry. Or for me, maybe some don't marry, right? Or for that still, some don't dey in a serious relationship. Relationship. Let me say Rakotalo. Oh, relationship. Some go dey relationship. Are you getting it? Me fool, me jabrakata. But just that we say, if you do the, should I say selective? Oh, I don't know. It might be. It might be. It might be. But aside being selective, you still know what you want. So people say, anyway, let me keep that for myself. Let me reserve that. So Mama Lekwa's case is a different thing entirely. She was good at the initial beginning. When it was just me and she was good. I no go lie. I no go lie. Because of juju, I no go lie. She was good, like, oh, okay, but so go see advice me. Normal money on advice in you mommy wa le bie. Normally rena we money me so se ni se wo wodo. Amini wa. Ona ibokpa afemi wo me. Ona ibokpa agba efu awo bo me. Like, what the hell is that? Any year me ga amugi ati me to bi mi aga me we on afia. E wo no fear, you no fear. Me li mi ni ma do bo fear, adobo me no fear ni giadology. Ye we o tu pele. Mama leku. Adazoki o. E di so Jesus e we mo me wa ko tala. Itele paso ya le. E di so Jesus o no e yafo. Mama leku. Me no know say all those times they go they tell her say mama gonna now ma. Now problem for her. And she come forget say me and you no be age mate. You senior me, I might be in my peak. You don't know. You don't know. Again, the time when sometimes they come for person. Sometimes you come see slow. You don't know. Where be umenwan, where be okiane. She got to compare herself with me. You are not even in your 40s. According to her. But a bla bueno married then away 42 years, I be 43. I fear age on and I fear Berali Woto. But tell the man I fear on a buzzer so. I won't wait, baby. I went in time for this in Otani your head we are when you fake a cat or Tani. When we did they talk normally, she said no. Now mama all of us they call her. Mama. She can't her age, she can't carry and go up. Eki alirenia, ona ifia ototo. Ele is one time else in no malagu. Egi bia, ye la ne bia, ye me registration. Yo wo, mama leku we, mama leku. And the time where be say that one never come. Anybody will toast me say, see this person, you are my friend. Why would I hide anything from you? Right? See this person, how he be. See the country where he do. She sees you, but wait they find not complete. I not feel for wahala. I not get problem with her. I not get problem with her that time. But if she had told me categorically, say Asaboro, he can't get one man where toss me for whole land. Oh, my friend, I don't know. It's not the same notification. He can't get one man where spoke me for whole land. Three of us just they call daddy. As the man bele for Tori, and I say, you wanna say me? Yeah, as we just they call, and I say, no man, as my night view. Now we can't view the picture. That my friend will God go bless, which is a wife to spoker, like them I can't say wife to spoker. He might put on like that. We spoker says, "I spoke this guy." Then I go say, Mama, is that on a one man who went one more and hey, you call that my friend? You know the color. Hey, that time We never see Mama Leku for camera. Mama Leku. Oh, we never see her for camera that time. Mama Leku, you change that for us. He said, no. When my friend go to say, hey, make it carry this one. Mama go say, Mama, we have a joke here. Now go say, have a figure. I walk okay, oh, that class here. I'm like, she go there. Am I going down? Then give me Mama Leku the camera. There was it. Mama, tout au God who made me. Mama, tell you how bad. Au quoi de me que d'abord il y en aurait me. Au quoi de ne. Tito de na. My friend no even say for camera now. Na me jalopin I go give my friend. Ne room dans la Mama Leku. Wow, the dog. You know the carry camera. Now because of say I want fry akara. Cannot go know how to fry, how to miss out. Whether I can't think and say na meme. I don't go use akara to meme. My mama la. When because she's a specialist in that oh. E kan wa fian na yin wa fian dede gbe ni bi kan na wo ko le. O ma we meme no fika, ofika. Now we can put on for camera. She can't show me. We are kun baba. Like we you bani. Oh ye nya di at oh like kun we are totally we did Jesus. So we can't do. I don't really know take out to be anything. I don't na my friend then. I think they bully you now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Me never born. I think not born now cause it be like that. Although it's surgery maga or my ninja. Right? So that make me not the body shame person. Especially if you never born. I never born, so I'm the body shame person. Cause picking feed this go on your body. Picking. Oh Jehovah. Gonna move forward and be up back. Feed this go on your body for you. Now make me not the body shame person we don't born. Body shame me at not the door whether you don't born never born not the door. Because I could win me the only message me up by I think with fear. You never can tell. About one for my boy. Who she come one down my body other. Now you will. I say Mama Leku I won't drown me. I know if forgive one. You are tidy way when it time baloney they are full awful. Now be woman we are those say. You know you not the way they measure in it. Oh we are those say. Obiera will be you kono. Nzano. But we are once you can come with some of always someone see we rest. We want say lady ni I want to o atosi no atosi. Fe agbinora gbon ore. That's Mama Leku because we provoke. We provoke you wa vulo meko. That's Mama Leku done. Mama Leku. Mama Leku wa the dog. E wo we nu e. Ewe betting oh ya miene you are said e me go we me na talo me adi mi tu we me ite mu we me wa talo e me gada imagine ya miene you are for the good time for the good days ya gada imagine I will so deal with you you go hear what I worry about any just Jesus Mama Leku tiens mais you don't see how beautiful I am. Very beautiful girl. You know see. So streets, not in this street. What is this street? Not in this up. Waiting this up for streets. What they do? You don't see black girls they use PRA like Asaboro. You know the Ekbo. You don't see her. Talk truth. Arriba. Pierre, wonu ni won ewu wa. Idi edi ana bere ogogbon yo. Wonu ni won ewu wa. Abadan lost for Tori. Why you go lost? You not get people, you not call police. Go call police now. Wetin dey lost am for them? Agege wa we Tori. Wetin wa make am lost? E ma we Jesu. O ma we Letifa. Full grown man. Wetin wan lost? If you don't know the name of the street way, you know call police. Boya zitalo you know the message ni ebo Proto ni ho. Proto. Sono io. About Obas. Any hello. Hello, please. Can you hear me? Aguento. Well, then they look for her. Who they find her? It if. Why did they find her? What thing happen to her? How about not they do this thing every time? Now they come out for VRT television. What did they find her for? Oh, we are. Ite swado mi elefa. Ite swado mi elefa. Uwi gbare ki akio e o sana jerere o. E dagbon le ya e ikan ya pon sa. Amalekwa te o egbe. Ite swado mi elefa. Asate ite swado mi asafa. Uwi gbare ki akio e o sana boasare. E dagbon sa ya e asaya pon sa. Fear all the time show you location. Okay, do bad thing. When a mother that show anyone who I like, and then I'm about door. But where you go, they fear? What is the portion? What the portion want to go? What happen? Where just me? Where I say? What happen? Here a person get problem. Only your brother me no say get problem. Here another person say get problem. What happen to her? Osun tage wana ninye sefwa where ya wo do sef ukoye vacation na your family go. Here we talk Obaseki go to yesterday. Okay, ex-governor no get say Obaseki. Okay, what it happen now? Obaseki boy now which are that? What it happen? What did I go do for Torino? They use the toy. They talk. They go greet people now. They don't get people for them. Maybe they still get people for them. No, Obaseki, but everybody knows say about now Obaseki boy. Now that one that they find out for. That one is to find person put. What do you do? Unless you do another thing again, you do bad thing and finish, or you offend person. Say that they find out because say na Obaseki come to Reno. I don't understand that one. Now politics now, which one person want by itself. So that if you are in a party A, you be against party B. If a party B be against party A, now so their matter be. Or say you know the politician, marrying on jail. They are all playing dirty games. They are all politicians. So why do they find out? How about now Obaseki boy? You and me and you know. So they just want to go to. You get what you do, join with Fedega. If you get what you do, if you offend people one-on-one, but if you don't offend person one-on-one, saying about a political career, a political life, they should let him be. Right? Agboya ko yon. Everybody know the person enemy. Enemy, you will not concern, I still get enemy. For no reason. I still get people go say, Asaboro no gwani and this was one. I want to I don't so. Not tell it back. Now say it be. But otani mo lalo. Me ma ho. Ira bi ho iwe ro pa we iwe gba no ro egbe bi camera. It just say I we na me magbo. Jesus is gisting us. They went for meet and greet. Meet and greet and when you stop your way to bungbe. Both Emaya do meet and greet. Was your boy meet and greet to Wara. It's too much. Anyway, I may do at way. Because it's too much. Can I go no? Meet and greet. But I can tell you so why I stay where I meet and greet to a click who walk back whenever I meet and greet it Buwawa. But it's okay. What are the greet about second for? Okay, I say an ex-governor. Yeah, sure, boy, I'm going with picture. Okay. I can relate. Okay. The Abat as the city J Naija person. Okay, they need to this boy I go with picture. It's a good idea, anything there. Nobody can do meet and greet. Imagine I am bobo do throw. Where meet and greet throw. I meet someone greet someone. It's not a big deal. When no basaki you talk me, you go carry a cocoa. Just to meet the people, greet the people, sit down, they talk. This time we not undergraduate 2027 years old. I mean, here I said to you, those people, they are very kind personality. So you 2027 for back for you. Surround the corner. Abi munani wa we mwina here we o iboke. You know kai we you now we iboke. Don't you know? Imuni aya any aka we dead. So I'm not against that too. Tomorrow, any person can still come from Nigeria. Say tomorrow, not be surprised. You still see Tony Kabaka for abroad because he say meet and greet. Why you? So everybody must meet and greet. That will not be a problem. That will not be a problem. Before Obaseki come, Abba to know. Two of them they talk with special arrangement. So Abba have to take visa, go down and meet him, and they continue their normal political bati. So that's what it is. Meeting and greeting individual. To me, it's not a problem. But who they go meet? Not be the people like person like us. Now they are political people they go meet now. All those that are politicians, baby politicians. They want to go meet them, make them discuss about upcoming election 2027. Now they go do. Not being they go do. Obaseki not this again. Not me say he not be politician again. He cannot renounce. He's a political person. So you have to do what he can do. Another party if he come tomorrow, they'll see what they can do. Now their work, now their way. Anyway, me now with politics. I cannot speak about politics. I know nothing about politics. I your boy yeah, because I don't know anything about politics. Only thing I know within my head that politics is a dirty game. That's what I know. It's too dirty for my liking. So I don't know anything when they talk. Men say they want to scatter the meeting. Maybe get what you do the way they want to scatter. So far they not break their head. They scatter and they'll go on another venue. If they scatter and they'll go come up for them. Meaning they don't want them. That's what it is. Right? Meaning they don't want them for them. Period. No camping. Another thing they know. If they don't want, they don't want. If they want, they want. Any politics, me matter they like it at all. No, not like anything political, whatever. Especially those ones where you're the lamb like. You see all those cool political persons, anyone you get politics. Awe taita fena ni rabi baina. Awe ugogwale, ugogwale kansona. Abudu na ya kanya. I not there for that one. I feel like about now. Ni wawe jedo we rebode. Umaka we jowe de. Awe talota. Abati no kwata. All I been on a journal. So I'm not there for that matter. A political something. I don't get any party word. I'm partying with Jesus. I know you get party word. I don't know what they do. I don't want to know. I don't get interest. When they share 100 million, I don't get interest. Me they go. And they know. Because you are alive. I need a job you go. And I to reach themselves. So what is the need? They get out there. Get the F off my phone. Off my front. I need to say. When you no matter when political, not really good. Okay, only power remediana. Only power remedy. You can't exaggerate the meeting. Magale, Dia Zaga. Let them do it first. Bet about Italy. Miami Grand in what the police over the day. We got the quarter so police even lava. So I tell you, phone say dovese. Waje. Ya ke boa police clean. Go one. Police clean left for because iya head the apian ya le la. Tranquilo ni ya le la ya won. Two pele. Miami Grand now they follow up to print our we ever. Where is the lockbook? Where is the lockbook? 3 years I be so ni. Where is the lockbook? Eriko so hard on day. So that's I respecting how we do any other day we do. Katikati la padusa. One. I'll give you Italy first. Anything. Jesus. Ubedea. Allah ma giede. Talk about the legendary funeral. Which legendary be that one? Who died? How we? Which legendary died? Which legendary? Which legendary died? Don't even we. What a moment, don't even we. Who are they who? I know. Legend. What when your legend? How? The legend no be one am I? Legend. Oh yeah. Which legend that one no? When you na? Eh? Anything. It take comment is slow with ya. They never bury her since there. Really? You. I think say Don VS was on his case, right? They never bury her. You never bury her Kadarade. Why can't they talk about it only? What happened? Some born de lekere. Ubi o imose menogo me. Omanoga soma boya kuba. Agolo seno anywhere. Ulaga ibo. Akono dame visia. Oh, o ma setting me wanna ye. Geda enu gba gini gbe nu gba gina popo. Imo sere o irogo gege. Also no one. Asaboro you go since. I get emergency o. Can't imagine Asaboro see get your personal stress. Now everything Asaboro go see for media. So you may where the barrier. Yo. Yeah. Oh. You know, you will. What you go happen now? What do you say me will cut off on Zana? I walk out baby okay here. What do you know Asaboro? Tell me now, area where do I give on like this? Area like all you like a funny mood king. Or what? Ogwefo. Ogwewa agwen tike. Mwere. Osunu. Mona help anybody get idea of what Jesus did talk. What a funny mood king going allow. So I don't say they never bury this man. True to God. I might say 3 to 6 months in a year. Hey, yeah, the children are asking for help. Yo. We meet me. I cook you over your soul. Yeah. Okay. Okay, they are asking for help to do the burial now, but they never fix the to. They never fix the to. Guri free, mommy Vivian, waiting and sa. Oh, really? Where I go for here? I go along. I will need with 50,000 for every certain. And I did that all circle. I need a fianza. But they don't fix this. They don't talk when they want to do the burial. Or they just want fair gather before they can talk, say I go be, say I go be. Right? Yo. Yo. Don VS was on his case. So. Don VS was on his case, right? Don VS, what you get here? What are we waiting now? Ew. Oh, pa. Jesus. Oh, when we pay to our way better as mommy, and where when you did, but I let you Jomali do work oh well, my own river. I mean, you know my say, understand? I mean, you know my say, while wearing no post get one. He problem day. He can work out as problem day the waiting. Which problem? Jesus. Which problem it come there? Boy, we are queer, be okay, be a man. Oh, okay, but no more to war. No more cabin, I am more to war. Our ways are zay. Mammy, I'm more to when you did very unknown. Oh, Mamma, our ways are zay, oh, when you Tori. Problem, which problem? Posun wa gwani ah. No be every time Asaboro dey see. I know you what time ah. E posun. E. The problem no you like. Jesus if you come at we. Which problem call dey now? Oh, sorry to you. Waiting. E don't veut so you don't have my problem on abi dey on. I don't understand. I be we all way problem on. Me I don't where the problem pass come. The problem we no wo ne problem. Okay, we problem e be there. Ele tete we me. Who be there ko wa here make. We problem e lare. Oh when you talk. The problem I don't understand. The problem lare. Papa me e no understand. What go me go on? Problem. What are the problem? Massive problem. Wait a me. Okwe no pa talk about. Wait a me. Wait a me. Ishi. Where is the problem? Tell a boy where you get here queer. How to know what I hey? How ma kai Oh Jesus Christ. Nene you wait Italia. No pa talk about it, And you wait a me. On I live WhatsApp. Where go me go? The problem is wrong. Hey Jim. Hey. Pretty or me. You want was so.